Defence Minister Omane Boamah, Murtala, others dead. A tragic military helicopter crash in the Adansi Akrafuam district of the Ashanti region on Wednesday, August 6th, has reportedly claimed the lives of the Minister for Defence, Dr. Edward Omane Boamah, and the Minister for Environment, Science, Technology and Innovation, Ibrahim Murtala Mohammed. Others who have been confirmed dead in the crash are Muniru Mohammed, Acting Deputy National Security Coordinator, Samuel Aboagi, a former Member of Parliament, and Samuel Sarpong, Vice Chairman of the NDC. The crew members, Squadron Leader Peter Bafemi Anala, Flying Officer Mane Twum Ampadu, and Sergeant Ernest Addo Mensah, also perished in the incident. According to initial reports, the high-ranking government officials were aboard a Ghana Armed Forces ZID-9 helicopter en route to Obuasi when the aircraft went off radar. The helicopter was carrying 8 individuals, including 3 crew members and 5 passengers, among them the ministers, a presidential staffer identified as Samuel Sarpong, and the minister's security detail.